For over a decade, Cambrionix helped circular tech operators process thousands of devices daily. Every day, used smartphones, tablets, and laptops arrive in large volumes, each one needing to be erased, restored, tested, and prepared for resale as quickly as possible. Circular tech operators face consistent pressure to process devices faster, as delays between intake and resale quickly reduce value asset and erode margin. At the same time, devices often arrive depleted or require controlled charging, slowing down processing before it can even begin. As volumes grow and margins tighten, faster, more controlled processing is essential. Cambrionix combines high-density hardware and smart software to deliver next-generation device processing. ThunderSync 5 C16. With ThunderSync 5 and Connect software, operators can charge, enable multi-device DFU, erase and restore 16 iPhones in under 11 minutes and 16 Macs in under 20 minutes, a task that would take over an hour with a standard USB 2 hub. Built on Thunderbolt 5 technology, ThunderSync 5 delivers high-speed data, stable connectivity, dynamic charging, and intelligent device management. Engineered for high-volume processing, it maintains consistent power across all 16 ports, with no dropouts under full load. With Connect Premium, teams can enable multi-device DFU mode, schedule charging sessions, and set charge limits, keeping device transport ready and compliant with European regulations. Discover how Cambrionix boosts throughput and profitability, reducing turnaround times and scaling used device processing today.
Silent for unique electronics.